What's going on, y'all? Quick job. We will replace the indicator light. Forehead screw. Put it right here. You don't need to open anything. It's really not that hard. This is the easiest way. Two screws, put it somewhere safe. Pull that wire easy. Let me zoom this. Hold on. So what you do, see the black part. You see? And you take the light. Now I'll bring the replacement. I will put it right there again. Right, guys. This is the replacement. So I'm gonna put it right there. Don't need anything, really. 5 minutes, guys, 5 minutes. Get your screws, plug that in. Make sure it's plugged good. Okay, don't twist the wires. Screw it and take the second one. Screw it. Tight it. Double check. And we are done. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I will appreciate it. And you guys have a good one.